All of your guests have left, but you have Thanksgiving leftovers. What do you do with them? If you're like me, you're always worried that you won't have enough food. So I tend to overorder or overmake, which means there's leftovers. I hate food waste. So I wanted to come up with some different ideas of how to use Thanksgiving leftovers. We start our leftover journey with stuffing. There was a lot of it. I had 2 pans. This was the second pan. So it was cornmeal stuffing. So I ball it up. Think of it like a dough, because that's what I'm going to do. I am going to make a quiche and use the stuffing as a crust. Put some melted butter into this very well-loved pan and just start smushing out the cornbread stuffing and making it a crust. It's got onions, carrots, all kinds of flavoring in it. So my assumption here is it's just going to make for a more interesting quiche. And I blind baked it for about 12 minutes. Didn't need to put any weights. There it goes. Came out just fine. Now for the custard part. So I just recently did this, and I usually use Gruyere, but I found this not great Gruyere at the grocery store. So when it's a not great Gruyere, it's Swiss. So I did half Parmesan, half Swiss, about 4 ounces of cheese, and then 4 eggs. Then half a cup to 2/3 cup of cream. So this is the point where I would amend this recipe. I didn't season the custard the way I normally would with a quiche, which is with chives, black pepper, nutmeg. I just did a video on it recently. I thought that the crust, because it was stuffing, it would have so much flavor, wouldn't need it. But in retrospect, I would say still flavor the custard the same. Things in crust, they're just good. So just trying a different crust. So we put the custard in the pan there, and I put it in a baking sheet because I was afraid it was going to spill over, which it did. But baked it for about 30 minutes, and look, it came out great. It was really delicious. It went really well together. Like stringy, cheesy, yummy, and then all the flavor of that stuffing. Yeah, I was on the winning team of Turkey Trot Trivia this year. And for our second idea, yes, it's the braised greens. It's the collard greens. So I drained them because look, I had a lot. All right, I thought people were going to be more into the greens. So drained them. There was already some pork in there. So I'm like, ooh, the smoky pork taste with beef. This is going to be great. I know, why don't I make a super fantastic meatloaf? Kind of like a lasagna meatloaf. So hamburger, onions, tomato paste, 1 egg, some brown sugar, push it all, knead it or push it all together. So then I'm going to take the meatloaf and make 1 thinner layer on the bottom. Then get the drained greens without all its smoky pork glory and make that the middle part of this meatloaf. You could also put hard-boiled egg in there, maybe a couple. That'd be nice. Then the rest of the meatloaf mixture goes on top. Bake it 350 for about 25-30 minutes, and it came out great. Now, there was a little bit of, see the water from the green, so I poured that out, and then I cut it, ate it. The integrity wasn't as firm like with the layers as I wanted to for the first bite. It was super tasty. Now later I refrigerated the rest and served it. And once it's chilled, then you can see the different layers a little more clearly. But the flavors really work. The tomato and the sweetness of the meatloaf with the smoky and the greens. 2 new ways to repurpose your Thanksgiving leftovers. I hope you enjoy these, and if you have some ideas of what to do with Thanksgiving leftovers, please let me know. And please hit subscribe